Here's a quick demo on how to use PandaDoc within Monday.com. PandaDoc is an alternative to DocuSign and allows you to be able to send and track the contracts, estimates, or any other documents you want signed within Monday.com. So I've got here a demo instance within Monday.com, and I've got the integration added. It's an app where you can find on the left-hand side here. This app's, if you click on that, you can search for PandaDoc, and you'll see there's a PandaDoc integration right here, and you should install it. Free install, but you still have to pay for PandaDoc outside of this, but it allows you to integrate directly with Monday.com. How it works is you open up a item, and you'll create a new view. So there's an add view button right there, and you just search PandaDoc items right there, and it'll add this tab here, and then it'll ask you to log in. You log into your PandaDoc account, and then you can now create and send documents. It'll give you updates on when the document has been reviewed, when it's been signed, and any other additional details. So to create a document, you just click Create Document. It'll then ask you which template you want to use. I'm going to use a sample sales proposal. Click Add One Item. It'll ask you for the different roles. So depending on how you had your template set up, you'll have different roles within the template. I'm going to go and skip this for now. And then it'll open up the document, the template that you had set up in PandaDoc. And you can now go through and add all the information you want in here. Now, the neat thing is that it will pull in the client company, client name, last name, etc. It'll pull in all this information from Monday.com if you set it up to do that. And I'll show you how to do that in just a second here. So you'll go through, you'll edit the document however you want it to look. You can add line items into contracts, and then you can select the different roles, and you have all those options. It's the PandaDoc interface here, so you have full access to everything. And then whenever you're ready, just hit send. Send via email, send via link. And then I'm going to send it to myself here. Hit send via link. It will ask you if you have any unfilled variables to go and fill them in, or just replace with blanks, which I'm going to do that. Add you to name your document. And then in this case, I hit generate links. I'll generate the link there. But you can also just send an email directly, and it'll ask you what you want to type in the body of the email. Then we hit done. And the document has now been sent. So if we go back over to Monday.com here, we'll see we have I'm going to refresh the page here. We'll see we have the document, and named it New Companies, which is what I put in there. Go to MSA. You'll see the document has been sent 27 seconds ago, and it'll dynamically update whenever the contract has been reviewed. So if I go and I get a link here, and I just open this link up, it will then show that the document has been viewed. So if I refresh this page now, it should say it's been viewed. There we go. It's been viewed 10 seconds ago. And then whenever it's been signed, it will update and show that it's been signed. You also just click on it and open the document up like that. It'll show you the document with all the information in it. And you can change the settings for what fields get pulled in. So like, let's say we have opportunity, we have the name, new company, we want that to get filled in wherever the company name dynamically shows up in the template. We can go into settings, top right corner, hit variables, and then in variables, it will show you all of your columns, and it will tell you what the field is going to be populated. So when you're in your template inside of PandaDoc, you go and hit templates, and we go to sample sales proposal. When you're putting your template together, you can type in those fields right here. So let's say I want the contact, the contact name, hit copy right there. And we just hit contact like that, hit enter. And now that field will get populated whenever you create a new document. So I'll pull in that name, in this case James Austin, will get pulled in there automatically. We have all these fields. You can add additional details as needed, but you can change these variables and it'll pull those in. You have a lot of freedom for creating and sending and editing these documents. So I'd recommend just playing around with it, but it's super easy to get that integrated. It takes 2 seconds. And then you can set up your templates with PandaDoc, and then now you can send and track the documents out of Monday.com. Hope that's helpful.